front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to select this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, click Files. Now you can look for your file by clicking on Audio at the top, tapping on one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Wherever you decided, after locating your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, click on Gallery section instead of Files. Look for your video over here if it's recent and tap on it. You can also select Gallery, look for it over here and click on Add at the top right corner. If you wish to, you can also select Gallery, then tap on Folders and click on your video over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!